हेलो गाइज वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। प्रीवियस क्लास रे आमे जोठू छाड़ीला केमिस्ट्री आज होछि लास्ट पार्ट सेथिरु आमे स्टार्ट करिवा। आउ प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल एंड लाइक शेयर एंड कमेंट। एथिरे सरिथला काली एथिरु आज आमे स्टार्ट करिवा। व्हाट इज द एवरेज वैल्यू ऑफ 12 वोल्ट peak wave? Right answer is 7.64 volt. Next, a test equipment items that has ability to produce either square, rectangular or sawtooth waveforms is called a function generator. Next, what does the CRT oscilloscope display? Right answer is voltage and period. Next, power company supply AC not DC because it is easier to transmit AC. Next, the phase difference between sine waves or different frequency is the difference in their fixed time displacement. Next, AC effective voltage is named root mean square. Next, the magnitude that an alternation varies from zero is called its amplitude. Next, power that distributed from a power plant to your home is high voltage to low voltage. Next, what is the name of a device that convert sound waves to electrical waves? Right answer is microwaves. Microphone. Next, the if the frequency of radio waves increase then its wavelength is decrease. माने frequency radio waves increase हेले wavelength टा decrease करिवो. Next, when transistor are used digital circuit they usually operate the saturation and cutoff region. Current ratio IC divided by IE usually less than 1 and is called alpha. Next, in a CE configuration an emitter resistor is used for stabilization. Voltage divider bias provides a stable and Q point. Next, to operate properly a transistor base emitter junction must be forward biased with reverse bias applied to which junction? Right answer is collector base. Next, the CB configuration is used to provide which type of gain? Right answer is voltage gain. A transistor may be used as switching device or as a variable resistor. Next, which beta current ratio? IC by IB. Next, in transistor collector current is controlled by base current. Next, which is the higher gain provided by a CE configuration? Right answer is power. The input resistance of base and emitter is usually very high. Next, a TRIAC can be triggered by either a positive or a negative gate voltage. What does a half effect sensor sense? Right answer is magnetic field. What causes the piezoelectric effect? Right answer is pressure on crystal. Next, the only way to close an SCR is with forward break over voltage. Next, what is the SCR? A PNPN thyristor with 3 terminals. Next, what type of application would be used a photovoltaic cell? Right answer is a remote power source. Next, once a DIAC is conducting, the only way to turn off is with low current dropout. The DIAC is Bidirectional Davis. Next, what type of application would use injection of laser diode? Right answer is a fiber optic transmission line. Next, the PUT program uni junction translator is actually types of UJT thyristor. A transducer function is to convert energy. A TRISC equivalent to 2 SCRs parallel. An optically coupled isolator is a Davis. An IRAD and silicon phototransistor. Next, what is a varistor? A voltage dependent resistor. Next, which type of transformer is required to create 180-degree input to rectifier? Right answer is center tapered secondary. In DC current, direct current thought each diode in a bridge rectifier equal the load current. Next, the diode for which you can charge the reverse bias and thus vary the capacitance is called Varactor's diode. In IC regulator receive an overload, it will shut down. Next, rectifier output polarity depends upon diode installation. Thermal shutdowns occurs in IC regulator if internal temperature is too high. The conduction band is closest to the valence band in semiconductor. Next, the voltage where current may start to flow in reverse bias PN junction is called the breakdown voltage. Next, pico is what relation micro. Right answer is 1 million time. Next, what is the unit of resistance, reactance and impedance? Right answer is ohms. Permeability is inverse equivalent of which electrical terms? Right answer is resistance. Which electromagnetic device use brushes and a commutator? Right answer is DC generator. Next, the component that produce power in an electromagnetic generator is called the armature. Next, which two values are plotted on BH curve graph? Right answer is flux density and magnetizing force. Next, which electromagnetic device has flexible cone? Right answer is a speaker. The unit of flux density is known as Tesla. Next, Kirchhoff's law are two types. गोटे Kirchhoff's law of voltage law or mesh law. ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ହେଲା Kirchhoff's current law or junction. Next, the process or conversion of AC into DC is known as rectification, also called as converters. Next, the process of conversion of DC into AC is known as inverters. The electronic oscillator is circuit which converts DC energy into AC energy. Next, ଏତିକିରୁ ଆମର ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ ହେବ commercial name of chemical compound. The chemical name of potash alum is potassium aluminum sulfate. Chemical name of caustic potash is potassium hydroxide. Chemical name of common salt is sodium chloride. Chemical name of caustic soda is sodium hydroxide. Next, chemical name of rock salt is sodium chloride. Chemical name of quartz is sodium silicate. Chemical name of quicklime is calcium oxide. Chemical name of slag lime is calcium hydroxide. Chemical name of caustic soda is sodium hydroxide. Next. Chemical name of chili salt pitre is sodium nitrate. Chemical name of chloroform is trichloromethane. Chemical name of dry ice is sodium carbon dioxide. Chemical name of green vitriol is ferrous sulfate. Next. Chemical name of laughing gas is nitrous oxide. Chemical name of rugby or sapphire is aluminium oxide. Chemical name of sand is silicon dioxide. Chemical name of white vitriol is zinc sulfate. Chemical name of red medicine is potassium permanganate. Next. Chemical name of heavy water is deuterium oxide. Chemical name of heavy hydrogen is deuterium. ଏତିକିରେ ଆମର ଆଜି କେମିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିର ସବୁ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ ଏନ୍ତା ସରିଲା. ପ୍ଲିଜ୍ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ ଟୁ ମାଇ ୟୁଟ୍ୟୁବ୍ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲ୍. ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ ସୋ ମଚ୍.